Hey everyone, I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our individual tax return proposal with 3 packages. The first thing you're going to want to do is click free, and then you're going to want to go to your firm templates. And then under your proposal and engagement letter section, you're going to want to go to your templates and click on it to open it. You're just going to open like any other template for proposal. You can have your options to name it whatever you would like for your firm side. Your client will not see this name. You'll have the option to change the required amount of signatures. So you can make it so that everyone has to sign or only one person has to sign to move this engagement letter forward. You can choose the team member that it's going to send from, and then you can choose the name that you want the client to see. You go ahead and click next. You have the option to put a little introduction. You can put some information about your company, put some information about bookkeeping or accounting, or in this case, tax returns, etc. You can just put whatever you want here as your introduction. And then next, we're going to go into our services, which is going to show our proposals. Do you have your option of your packages? Do you have your option of packages, list of services, or no services? In this case, we're going to do packages. And you can see that we have 3 packages available. If I click edit on my first one, you're going to see that what's included is going to be our tax return and then our tax review. We are going to have our invoice be issued, but you do have the option to not invoice. Now, if you do choose that, it will just show them what the pricing is. If you scroll down, you can update account tags. And then you can also choose to highlight a package. So if this was the package that you wanted everybody to choose, you could highlight this one. We're going to go ahead and click save as we've reviewed this template. Now we're going to go ahead and click our plus template. And you can see here that we have gone ahead and listed out our products, services, just the way we have it listed out in our package over here on the side. We have highlighted this package as our recommended package. This is the middle of the board. This is the one that we recommend to everybody as their best option. And then again, you can update your account tags to match that. So you could put that you want your account tag to be plus, and then you can have all of the people that have plus, you can use that as a filter in your accounts. Go ahead and click save. And then you also have the option of a third package. And again, we have that all listed out so that they break down the cost of each item. Go ahead and click save. Okay, so you have those options. So that our 3 packages for this template. Go ahead and click next. Here we're going to add our terms of service. You can go ahead and copy and paste your terms of services so that it's to your satisfaction. And then you can go ahead and click next. And this is your send information. I do not have a payment method set up, so it's not going to show I'm not going to be able to choose a lot of the information, but I could choose debit or credit card. If I had payment method set up, I could choose ACH. Automatic invoice payment means that they would have to pay when they sign the contract, sign the engagement letter. If you do not choose that, I would then give them an invoice and they would have to pay that manually, so they could pay that whenever they feel like it. You can send a message in your email to the client about your proposal. And then you also have the option to set reminders. So we're going to go ahead and save this template. And I'm going to send it as a one-off to my test client. See if I can find it on here, proposals. My test clients under my own name. I'm going to choose the template. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and click next through the whole thing so that I can send it to my test account. And then I'm going to go ahead and log into that account so I can show you what it looks like for the client. Now I'm on the client site and you can see that we have our proposal here. So we're going to go ahead and click Side Proposal. And this is what the proposal is going to look like to the client. So they're going to see your introduction. They're going to see the 3 packages. And they'll be able to select which one they like. And here you can see that we have our recommended. I'm going to go ahead and click select on that one. Now they'll be able to see the terms of service. So as you can see, they have to select a package before they see the terms of services. And then they would put in their credit card information if you have it on automatic payment. They would go ahead and sign that engagement letter. And then they need to accept the above terms and TaxDome terms of service. Go ahead and select that. And now I can go ahead and complete the signing of this engagement letter. Because I don't have the automatic payment set up, this is going to send a manual invoice that I would be able to pay when I need to for when I feel like it. So here you can see that we have the pay invoice. So the client would go in here and click pay invoice. If they have credits, they're able to do that. I had a payment method set up, and they would allow them to pay. If you have any questions, please send us an email to success@taxdome.com or hit us up in the community, and we will be glad to answer those questions. Thanks and have a great day.